Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Creative Flower Shop set. This set has so many flowers inside, and we have two mini dolls, Astrid and Nova. So remember, Astrid is the girl or woman, should I say, who got married to Pitch. So we've got one guidebook and stickers and also two Legolands and 3 bags of Lego. So first, this is Nova wearing her like usual hoodie and pants. So there's nothing new about Nova's clothes. So this is Nova and she's holding scissors, golden color scissors, and there's also a helmet for her. And now, so this is Astrid and her top looks very nice and cool. Like these days it's so hot, right? It's so hot and humid as well. Anyway, this is Astrid, and I didn't know that her hat was transparent blue. I thought it was just blue because it looked like blue in the box, but turns out it's actually sort of like transparent. So Astrid also has a helmet, a blue one. So and Nova has a pink one. So there are two mini dolls, and so this is our bicycle over here for two people. Now I have 3 of these, and they are all purple color. I think they should make some new colors now, because for now it's just 3 purple bicycles. So anyway, at the front we've got some flower decorations, and there's like a flower shop logo stuck to the bicycle. So now let's start building this flower shop. I was quite surprised because this set doesn't look really like that exciting, but turns out when you actually build it, there's actually a lot of things. The fun water park day set as well, that set was actually really interesting, but I think this set is even more interesting than that, because you can also design your own flowers, and we have so many nice looking flowers. So this is kind of like this bridge thing that's covering this place, but it's kind of like transparent, so the sunlight can come through the glass. So let's make the leg part now. Yeah, kind of like this. There you go. Looks so nice, right? And add some white color like this. Make this bridge color. So over here, let's put some flowers. So leaves, 4 different leaves. Like they're all green color, but they're all different colors, to darker green to like really light green, and some flowers, purple, pink, yellow, and white. And there's a yellow basket over there with a watering can, and there's also a really nice looking butterfly over here. And this flower is my favorite. It's kind of like sunflowers with orange and yellow flowers. This is my favorite flower pot in this set. Looks really nice and warm. Kind of reminds me of like summer, like spring, not really summer, more like spring. So anyway, this place over here, they also sell cards, because when you give flowers, it's normally for like something special, like maybe events or like wedding or birthday or something like that, right? Like Valentine's Day or something. So that's why I think there are also cards over there, which is a really nice detail. So we've got some like rocky path in front of the shop like that. So that part that we made earlier, that's the outside, and now we're going to start building the inside. So inside there's so many flowers and lots of like nice looking flower vase as well, and like there's lots of flowers on top of the wall as well. Yeah, so okay, so over here there's also going to be some like really big windows over there as well, so that people walking outside could see the flowers as well. So nice green color. I love this color. Yeah, it looks amazing. So over here, let's make the door. So it's a big door over here like that, and the handle looks very nice and unique, and there's this open sign. The stickers are very neat in this set. It's mostly like black stickers with like white letters written on it. So we've got a big window over here, and like near the window we're going to display lots of flowers. This set is really cute because it's a Lego Friends set, but it's sort of like botanicals because there's gonna be a flower over here next to the window, which really reminds me of a set, Lego Botanical set, which of course is way bigger, but it's really similar to this one, like this white vase over here and like lots of flowers. It's really similar to a Lego Botanical flower, yeah, Lego Botanical set flower. Yeah, so I think maybe some when they designed this set, some people who actually work for Lego Botanicals also like helped making this set. I don't know. Anyway, it looks really cute, right? Really nice flower vase. And we've got some like flower seeds over there next to the big vase. And so this is the cash register, and we've got lots of paper and like ribbons to wrap flower bouquets. Yeah, and that looks like, is that a coffee machine or is that a cashier machine? Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think it's a cashier machine, and I think she just put like a cup of like cup over there, teacup. Yeah, I don't think it's a coffee machine. Anyway, we've added some green colors on top of there, and outside as well we've got some more flowers. So kind of like these like, wait, sorry, I actually put this wrong. Okay, there you go. So pink, orange, green, green. Yeah, so yellow flowers and also a purple one as well. And this one is, I think, telling us that it's on sale, I think, or maybe yeah, I think so. Maybe it's sort of like event, sale event. And over here we've got some lights attached over here, two lights on top of the windows. This set is so lovely, don't you think? It's a very lovely set. I bet it's going to look quite nice with the other flower set, like 2025 last year. Like there was a big flower shop and cafe set, remember? I think it's gonna look good with that like next to it, but that one is sort of like broken because I broke it when I was making some other custom builds, so I can't put them next to each other for now, but I can fix it later on. So anyway, we've got some really nice like rain shield things, like decorations like that, like pink and white. Looks so nice, right? And even we even have like flowers on top of the roof, really like colorful, right? Like pink, purple, orange, and yellow. So this one is the like the shop logo, flower shop. Looks very nice and unique and like really neat, right? I think this flower shop concept is like very neat and like very fancy, not fancy, like very like modern and neat, you know. And there's lots of colors, so it's really nice and lovely, and it kind of feels like the countryside as well, even though it's not the countryside. So we've attached the logo over there, which looks really nice, and we've got some other flower vase over here, but this one doesn't have any flowers because you can design your own flower vase. Isn't that such a nice idea? I love it when Lego makes it like that, you know, like the restaurants that you can make your own menus, and this one you can make your own flowers. And what was like, I think there were some other things kind of like this one. Yeah, like you can also make your own ring design in the Jasmine jewelry box set, and some other sets, like lots of other sets make it like that, which like I don't really remember right now, but there are lots of other sets like this. So this is the wall of flowers that we're going to attach. So lots of flowers and lots of colors as well, like different colors, lots of green colors, kind of like tulips, and like big ones over here as well. Big ones are normally used for sunflowers, but this time it's not really used for sunflowers. So now this is the end of the build, and as you can see, we've got so many flowers over there. I can't wait to make my own flower vase. So in this set we have Astrid and Nova. So like probably I think Astrid is the owner of this flower shop, and let's say that Nova works here, you know. Yeah, so Nova works here, and she's also going to buy some flowers for herself, like to give to her like mother or maybe family or friends like that. So anyway, now let's start playing with this set. So Nova, she's smelling the flowers, so nice and like fragrant, like sweet smell. So anyway, she's entering the flower shop. So she normally works here, but she's also going to buy some flowers for herself as well, for like to give it to someone. So hello Nova, you're here early today. Yeah, so we've got lots of order, you know, so you've got to deliver so many flowers. Okie dokie. So first, when Nova arrives here, what she does is water the flowers, of course, so that they will grow nicely, like so grow like not grow, like water the flowers with this watering can. There's so many flowers, right? So Nova has to water every one of them, and after that Astrid is going to tell her the orders that came in today. So Nova has to deliver them with her bicycle. Yeah, so I'm done watering the flowers, Astrid. So cute letters. Yeah, really nice, right? So, how many flowers? Yeah, we've got actually lots of order. Wait a sec. So let me see. First, you have to deliver the flower vase with the sunflower outside. Oh, this one? Yeah. Oh, it's so sad that I have to say goodbye to this because this is so wonderful. One of my favorite flowers, actually. Okay. If you come back, you have like lots of other flowers to deliver, so you better hurry up, Nova. Okay. So now Nova is going to deliver that sunflower, and now she's back. So she's going to deliver some other flowers now. So what should I deliver next? The other ones are custom flower base, and she says that she wants it really nice and neat, modern, and with purple flowers. So I think this vase will do. And let me use some purple flowers to decorate this vase. This is my favorite part. Yeah, I know, so nice. So let's see, we need 6 flowers. There you go, 6 purple flowers, and let me place them in this transparent vase. I just love that vase. I know it looks so awesome, right? So modern and like so amazing, so nice. Yeah, so it's gonna be a perfect purple flower vase. I know. Let me place them in the right place. So now you should better get ready to deliver this flower, Nova. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I know, so amazing, right? So awesome. Okay, so now I'll deliver this flower. Very good. We've got some like lots of other orders as well. So many orders today. I know, I'm doing so many exercise, so many exercise, a lot of exercise today. Cycling, yeah, riding the bicycle. Anyway, so meanwhile, Astrid is making the next flower vase. So this one using this nice looking purple flower vase with pink flowers. So let's place pink flowers in this vase as well. So when Nova comes back, she can deliver this right away without delay. So let's place all these pink flowers in the right places. This is so fun making your own flowers. There you go. So now the flower vase is ready. Looks so nice, right? I just love it. So now Nova has arrived. Yeah, so she's Astrid is also going to sell that one as well. Oh, this one is also really nice, the white vase one. So lovely, right? So colorful. So Nova delivered the rest of the 2 flower vase, and for the last order, this nice looking yellow bouquet with this flower seed, because I guess the customer is also interested in planting flowers. So yeah, so now Nova is delivering her last order. There you go. Everything is done for today. Well done, Nova. So now you can buy your own flowers. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this flower to my mom. So nice. So let me use this one, and I'm going to make it a yellow and make it like yellow with green. Yeah, that's very nice colors. So one more so that it'll be 6 flowers. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. So 6 flowers. Place them in their places. So yellow and a little bit of orange as well, and like green tulip as well, and also a yellow one. So let me place them. Looks so wonderful. Yeah, I just love the flower vase. Yeah, I think that Lego piece is very awesome because it can be so many awesome things. It can also be like a broomstick to like clean, like, you know, like this broom to clean some like mess thing, messy thing, like clean the floor like that. And then it can also be like an interesting plant in the botanical set, like a botanical garden set. It was a unique plant, and now it's also a flower vase. Lego is very good at this, like one Lego piece but using it as lots of different things. So Nova has paid for the flower, and before Astrid gives it to her, she's going to like make this flower neat. So she's going to use the scissor and make it very nice and neat so that it will be a nice flower vase. There you go, perfect. So now this is Nova's bouquet, not bouquet, flower vase for her mother, and she's also very interested in the cards, but she just decides to just buy the flower vase. So now Nova is going to go home now. Bye Astrid, bye Nova, see you tomorrow. Bye. So now Nova is going to go home with her flower vase. So now this is the end of the playing, and as you can see, you can make so many nice flower vases with this. Come to think about it, I think I have like so many yellow ones, but I also made a purple one, remember? So this is the end of the playing, and it was really nice playing with this. It's really nice to make your own flowers. My favorite is this sunflower one and the purple one that I made. So this is the end of the video, and I will come back with other Lego videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.